Hey guys, we are back with another video, a rental video today. And look who we have here behind me. Here's Mr. Warner, our favorite landlord ever. Yes. And it just so happens, lucky you guys, whoever's coming here to Angeles City, you have an opportunity to rent from Mr. Warner here. A pleasure of a person to actually rent from.
You won't have any problem with renters.
No, that's a great thing about Warner here. His places are top notch, always taken care of. And if something goes wrong, he's on it.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a...
He's fixing it that day, if not that minute.
No problem with him.
So anyway, let's see. This looks like a familiar place here, Warner. Here's our old stomping grounds over here. So this is the main unit that you have available coming up. And check this out, guys. This looks like it's back home again. The old Tesla chopper made it back over to Warner's place in its old familiar parking spot. Only for today, though. No, the Tesla chopper's not included with this rental. We have that one. We drove it here from the Drake. Our motorcycle was being used, so I said, let's get on the chopper. We ride back over to Zeppelin. Anyway, this place is on Zeppelin Street, Warner's Apartments. How many units is here in total? Like 6?
I have totally five apartments plus the main house.
Oh, 5 plus the main house, so total 6. Of course, the main house is the big place. This is your former spot until before you moved. And this place is a really nice sized place. So mostly expats live here.
Yes, all are expats.
Yeah, everybody lives here in the area is expats. We'll give you a little tour around. This is your parking area. Somebody's got one spot here right now, but there's room for 2 cars. So if you have a car, you have a covered parking area right here. And it's all lit up and it's got proper lighting, security cameras, everything's here. And the other units are over here. My old place used to be there, and the one above it, and there's a few more in the back. But this is the star of the show, this place right here. So let's go on a little tour of the main house. Let's check it out. So you got this huge area here for parking. I'll come back here and I'll turn around. It's all nice and shaded. It's very cool, especially the fact that you're on the bottom level here. You don't have to worry about the sun heating up your ceiling on the upper level. This actually goes upstairs to another apartment, these steps.
That's the fire exit from the upper.
Also a fire exit. It's used as that. And we'll get back here in a little bit. There's a lot of storage and stuff that could be included here with this rental as well. Let's go on through and see what we got.
Here, that's the sala.
So you got the
big sala.
Got the living room, sala area. Yeah, there we go. Let's light it up. So you got split type aircon up here. What's that, about a 2.5, 3 horse? What is that? 2 horse.
2 horsepower.
So you got a 2 horsepower AC unit here. Let me pan around.
Look at that.
Oh no, it's a big area. You got a table and chairs on this side. Over here. You got you about a, what, 50-inch television there, something like that?
Yes, 52.
Flat screen, 52.
Plus you have a cable TV and 400 MB Wi-Fi internet.
So you got 400 speed Wi-Fi that's included, and cable TV's included.
Included also, yes.
And this is a nice big area. It's not really in need of much, but yeah, you got plenty of room here if you want to add some cabinetry or any kind of a. You have some stuff in storage as well. If somebody needs an extra wardrobe or whatever, you still have some to provide if you need it. That's another good thing. Warner has a lot of different furniture items he keeps stored away. If you need something, he's usually got it. And here's the kitchen. Let's go on through here. You got the big fridge, double door fridge and freezer. Oh yeah, you got plenty of cabinets over here for storage, some hutches, and then you've got the kitchen area here, plenty of drawers. Yep, you got all the electric oven. You got an electric oven in here. I thought it was gas, so you got gas too.
This is gas too, and this one is for electric.
Okay, so you got a gas Is the oven gas or electric?
No, electric.
All right, so you got an electric oven right here. So if you want to bake a meatloaf or some cookies, you got that covered. You got, if your power's out, which doesn't happen often here, you still have the gas option.
Yes.
So where's that tank? Underneath somewhere?
The tank is here.
Oh, it's way over there. Okay, so you got your gas tank over here. Gotcha. All right, you got your sink and dishes, dish rack here, utensils. Basically, everything you need is already here. You got pots and pans.
There is no more on the other side.
Mm-hmm. More over here. Pots and pans, utensils, plates. Basically, you come in here with your luggage. That's all you need. You got a vent hood here as well.
Yes.
If it gets smoky in here, you can suck it out of there.
Yes.
Very nice. Good sized kitchen. Oh yeah, if you want to, yeah, if you're cooking fish, you can slide that. Yeah, keep the smell out, but yeah, it's not bad in here.
There is now the back exit.
Yeah, you got a back exit. We'll go through the back in a little bit and show everybody that. Let's get through the home here and see what else there is to show. All right, this side we have
It's a bedroom right now.
It's a bedroom or an office?
Office right
Can
now.
be a bedroom. It's
also.
definitely big enough for a bedroom.
There is additional internet cable for one laptop here.
Okay. Yeah, this is a nice area for an office or a bedroom, either way. Because you do have a wardrobe here,
Yeah.
just in case. There's a window type in the wall.
1.5, yes.
You got a 1.5 window type there in this room. Good sized room. Easily put a bed and make this a bedroom.
Yeah.
I've seen master bedrooms here smaller than this. So yeah, that's a good sized room. You always use that for your office before.
Yes,
That's a good office space.
Here's into bedroom.
So you got another bedroom here. Another air con right here. Wardrobe.
It's queen size.
It's a queen bed.
Queen bed, yes.
Yeah, we got a queen bed. Little table and chair over here. If you want to put your laptop over there, you could. And you got these windows that lead out to the side here, and a nice calamansi tree. I always used to pick calamansis off of that tree.
Yeah.
I miss getting the calamansis out my window.
Yeah.
Never had a shortage of calamansis when we lived here. And then we'll skip the bathroom for now and go straight to this bedroom.
This bedroom first.
Oh, back here by the calamansi tree again. There's my old window right there. So I'd reach out that window and just pick calamansis off this tree if I needed them.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Yeah, this is a good sized room. Another queen bed, right?
Yes, another queen bed, yes.
Yep. And a wardrobe here. So that's bedroom number 2 or 3. That's 3. If you want to make the office a bedroom, this would be bedroom 3. And here's the main floor bathroom.
That's for the guest rooms.
Guest room, bathroom.
Bathroom, yes.
And shower.
Hot
Very
shower.
nice.
Hot shower.
Very nice. Yep. Nice shower area, hot water, nice sink. Very good for a main bathroom. Little medicine cabinet. You even got a soap dispenser over here, Warner. Come on. All right, let's go on over here. So this would be bedroom number 4.
This is now the master.
And this is the master.
Master bedroom.
So master bedroom, you got a king size bed.
That's a king size bed.
Yep, you got a king bed here. Split type aircon in this room.
1.5.
Yep, and this is a big room.
Down here is a walk-in cabinet.
You got a nice walk-in closet over here. Plenty of space in this one. Yeah, look at that.
It's a walking closet. Right?
Yeah, you got a big one. Plenty of storage in there. And of course, you got a little makeup area here to do your making up. All the girls can sit there and do that. And then back here, you got your master bath
Yeah, with jacuzzi.
and a jacuzzi tub. Wow, I like that. So that's very nice. You don't see many jacuzzi tubs here in rentals, but you get one here at Warner Spot. And you got a proper hot water heater up
Yes,
here.
correct.
So this feeds the entire unit, or just this
just
room?
the jacuzzi.
Oh, you got that specifically for that.
Jacuzzi,
Oh,
yes.
gotcha. That's right. The showers over there have the hot water units in
Yes.
there. So this got a shower head on it too, if you want to stand there and shower off. Very nice. I like your bird door here. Summer. All right, so you got a nice master bath with a jacuzzi tub in it. It's quite a spacey unit here. You got a lot of space, good for families, right?
Yes, it's good for families.
Yeah, you had a family here for a while.
Yes.
Mr. David that we sent over here way back, he's moved on back to the States and he had a large family here. So this is a good spot for families. If you got kids,
Yes.
hell, you got what, 4 bedrooms?
4 bedrooms, yes.
If you want, or 3 bedrooms and an office.
And an office, correct.
You got a nice sized living room area right here and it's quiet.
Yeah.
I'm so used to hearing motors going through on Don Wico, so I forgot how quiet it is here. Every now and then you get a person running down the road here at Zeppelin, but not too often. And it's nice and cool in here, even though there's no aircon on. Nothing's on, and it's nice and cool.
The thick wall is double wall.
Oh yeah, it's a double thick wall. That's why.
Wall, so
Yeah.
keeps all the
Well, you
space
built this
cool.
place yourself.
I built by myself.
Yeah, you built this back when?
This one I built 2017.
2017.
I renovate that, including the.
So are all the walls that thick, or just in the main unit?
Just in the menu.
Oh, okay.
Because to carry the second floor.
No, to carry it up here, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's a
Okay,
good
And you don't hear anybody from up there either. You got a thick ceiling.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't hear any activity up there. Anyway, this is the side opening to go out to the side, to the parking area over here as well.
In place here, but I put it there
You
because of the sun.
Yeah, it's a little warm at times out here, but once it gets down over the side here, the sun drops down, you can grill out here.
With your big umbrella.
Put you an umbrella chair out here if you want. There's a lot of patio space here. And yeah, this would be a good spot for a grill. I know somebody that used to grill out here a lot on his cast iron combo cooker.
This one is
What do you got here? Oh, you got a stock room. Oh, nice. This is a big stock room. Yeah. I've always used to seeing this full. I've never seen it empty. Listen to that echo. Hey, hey.
the most big comes there.
Yes, and since you moved, you've emptied all this stuff out. Nice stock room area here outside. So you have a lot of goods and things you're bringing with you. You got places to store them.
And when somebody has a hobby, come on.
Oh, yeah, yeah. And here's another large area. Really big. So this is available as well if they want it.
As well, and somebody want to rent that included, yes.
Okay, so this is optional. If you need all this extra space, you could have a workshop. Oh yeah, it just keeps going. Wow, look at all that. It just keeps going and going. Got a large workbench area here. You have a large table to work on. Let's say you're in some kind of hobbies or some kind of woodcraft or something like that. You could definitely use this space for that.
Yes.
Very nice. All right, let's take another walk around and see what else we got here. It's even got an air conditioner in it.
Yes.
Yeah, you can cool it off in here if you want.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Then continue to going to the washing room.
Oh, then the laundry room's outside here. So this is behind the unit. As you peek in, here's the kitchen window. You just walk all the way around the unit and you have all these other areas, including the stock room over here on the right. And now you have a laundry area. All right,
It's a little bit
washroom,
the washroom and also not small
another little storage area.
storage area, yeah.
All right.
And it's a little small bathroom, right?
There's no bathroom here, yeah.
Oh yeah, you got an extra bathroom out here in the laundry room.
The lock it,
Oh,
I cannot find. I have to exchange
You got to get that fixed.
I have to
Knock out the handle there, the doorknob.
Change the.
So yeah, you got a little laundry room here, guys.
Yes.
And then you're back out here around to the calamansi bush. Is there any calamansis growing on there? Is it time? Oh, yes there is. Looky there, calamansi calling me.
There's several.
There's several on there. Nobody's butchered them all yet. Somebody's eating them. There used to be a ton of them. Oh yeah, they're up here. They're all throughout. Got a few hanging out here.
getting some.
Here's one right there, ready to go.
Because I tell them, get them.
Oh yeah, they'll just fall down and get bugs if you don't use them. But yeah, I'd use the heck out of these. This thing got big, Warner. It used to just be back here. It's spread out.
Yeah.
It's spread out. Anyway, that's the pretty much the tour. This goes up to and around another fire escape exit and access down here to the other apartments up on the top. And like he said, there's many other units. There's 5 other units here that he rents out to other expats, basically.
Also expats, yeah.
Yeah. So there you go. Quite a place. If you're interested, Zeppelin here in Hensonville, I recommend this area, this part of town. Really like it. Here's a lot of restaurants. There's a lot of, there's the trike station right at the end of the road. You don't have to have a car. You've got access to trikes easily. There's 7-Eleven right there. There's a gym above the 7-Eleven. It's just a good, convenient middle
Spa,
area.
Touched by the Rose.
Touched by Rose is right there.
Barbarino's.
Barbarino's restaurant.
My favorite Indian food.
Oh, Resoy.
Resoy.
All the places we've done videos in the beginning because we lived here. We hit all those spots. Many good places over there to check out, eat. Just walk. You can walk from here to Walking Street. We did it every day. Walk down to Tequila Reef from here. That was our exercise. It's kind of centrally located here. So I'll put a map on the screen showing exactly where this place is, and I'll also put Warner's information on the screen. If you're interested in this place, Warner's going to rent it to you for the low, low price of 1 million pesos. For the low, low price of 1 million pesos. All right. So Dr. Evil is not here. We got Dr. Warner instead. So how much is this place?
Also the space with no stock room is 45.
45 without the stock room.
Without the stock room is the main house, the washing room.
Right. So everything we saw here, including parking and everything.
For 2 cars.
Right.
And when somebody is interested, including the stock room, when has a hobby or sonst needs a lot of stock, is 55.
So 10,000 more if you want all that stock room area in the back for storage.
Yes.
So 45 and then 55 with the stockroom areas. Okay. So there you go, guys.
The stockroom is very big. It's around 70 square meters.
I've seen apartments smaller than those stockrooms. I'm in one right now. Anyway, yeah, it's a good deal. You guys are interested. I'm going to put all of Warner's information right here, how to contact him, to get a hold of him. Hey, you guys can contact me too if you like. But I do recommend just hit him up directly. I'm sure shortly after this video is released, somebody's going to grab this spot. It's hard to find a big area like this, that many bedrooms. You got 2 bathrooms, big bath with a jacuzzi for that price. It's really nice out here, guys. Trust me, I lived out here for a long time.
And the most important thing, you are not going to have a headache trying to, the landlord to.
Yeah, Warner's a great guy to rent from.
I want to fix it right away.
He does, and I guarantee you, I can vouch for that. If we had a hot water heater go out or something, I swear, the day of, he's got a new one in there. So it's a pleasure to rent from this gentleman right here.
Yes, you won't have any problem.
And he'll take you on some flying, ultralight flights too.
He's a great pilot.
He can get you out there and fly around down at the Angeles City Flying Club. So anyway, guys, thanks for joining us on this rental video. I know this is a good one. Not too many spots here in town available like this. And yeah, just hit Warner up if you're interested. Maybe do you have to do a term, a certain lease amount of time?
6 months, 1 year, minimum.
Minimum 1 year.
You want a 1 year lease on that?
1 year lease on that.
All right, he'd like to get a 1 year lease out of it for that price. You just talk to Warner. You talk to him, work it out. He'll probably negotiate a little bit maybe with you. He's easygoing, great guy to work with. But yeah, this is a great place, guys. Can't say it enough. When he said this place was available again, I said I gotta come over and make a video for him. Get some people out here looking at it. So anyways, we're off to the gym.
Yes, we're ready. After 3 days.
We're gonna jump on the chopper. I think it's out of juice, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see how far we get.
You push me and
Yeah, I'll steer, you push. All right, guys, we'll see you guys on the next video.
see ya.